Ceann, Cinn, Huncín, Ceanna, Ceannasí, Giannis, Hanaan, Hanaféin, Céanna, Cinneadh, and Cinn. There can be a lot of words as Gaeilge which all look very similar but mean different things. And a lot of people get worried and stressed out. They think, I have to learn each one of these 9 or 10 individually off by heart, and I'm going to easily get them confused. But if you just see how they all relate to one another and how they're all put into kind of 2 or 3 different categories, it's going to become a lot easier. Ibrahim, Ceann. So, Ceann, a lot of you guys will already know to mean head, but it can also mean one, as in the unnamed noun. So what do I mean by that? Essentially, when we have a noun, we're not actually naming what it is. So, for example, that one on Ceann Sin, the big one on Ceann Mór. Another one, please, Ceann Ella Leda Hell. So we're not actually naming what the item is. We're just saying Ceann in the same way we'd say one in English. The plural of this is Cinn. This is particularly useful if you're saying, let's say, those ones or these ones. It would be na Ceann Sin or na Ceann Seo. But if Ceann relates to head as well, so does Cinn. And if we have Huncín, it means ahead or forward. So you'll get this in a lot of different ways. You could say Gá Fuinte Huncín, means they're 2 points ahead. I could also say Ag Dul Huncín, so that means going forward or going ahead. But normally it implies kind of progressing. Equally, a Cur Rodégan Huncín is to promote something, because you're putting something forward, you're putting something out there. In other words, you're promoting it, you're publicising it. Sticking then to the idea of Ceann being head, we're also going to use it for a lot of things related to leadership or management, or essentially being the head of a company or a group. So Ceanna is going to mean leader. Ceannasí is going to mean a boss, so 2 very similar ones there. Sometimes they're even a bit interchangeable. And then Giannis Rodégan is to be in control or in charge of something. Okay, so Tome Giannis in Johnscadal Seo, I am in charge or I am in control of this project. In other words, I am leading it. Then we have Hanaan or Hanaféin, both mean the exact same thing. They mean already. They're not connected in any way to Ceann, nor will they be connected to the ones we're going to go on to look at. So they're kind of standing on their own. Hanaan or Hanaféin for already. Bhí Cinn Hanaféin, I was there already. Then we have Céanna for same. Okay, so another one not related to what we've talked about already, nor what we'll go on to talk about. We just put it after a noun, so on group of Céanna, the same group. Or if I'm saying the same on its own, it's going to be Maran Géana. Okay, so I can say Tá an grúpa Céanna, the same group are, or I can say they are the same, Tá siad Maran Géana. And lastly, we have Cinneadh for decision. So that's just a noun, decision on its own. Rinne me Cinneadh, I can say, for I made a decision, or I can use it as a verb. Cinn is the root, so it can be Cinn me, I decided. So that's it. There are actually plenty of other words as I was going through this. I was remembering Cuine, let's say for date or an appointment, and you also have Cinneadh as in a race of people, and I'm sure there's even more after that. But those are 9 or 10, which people often get confused in my experience as a teacher. So just remember, break them up, see how some of them relate to one another and how some of them are completely different. And remember, these ones, the fadas are always key. Otherwise, it's going to be very hard to tell apart, let's say, Ceann from Céanna. Lai wadnis mar rudi dírchasú leis an ísan, so bígí linn Learn Irish Online.